cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I got myself a very nice fresh piece of stingray. Stingray, if you're eating outside, is getting more and more expensive. Actually, I can't remember how much I paid for this, but it's definitely quite affordable. Got it online. Now, this is probably about 3 to 400 grams of stingray cutlets. Yeah. Then I'm going to make it into Muar Assam fish. The weather has been very bad. I want to make something savoury to spice up my appetite a little bit, open up my appetite. So I have some Assam puree, very important, and I'll have some cooking up our chicken powder. And we will make the sambal using some chili, garlic, and also shallot. Chili you can use about 5-6 pieces of big chili, 2 cloves of garlic, and also 2 shallots. Now, usually I like to make more of the chili because the crispy chili later actually will taste even better than the fish. It goes so well with the rice. Very, very nice. Let's quickly prep the fish here. We have putting into the steamer, or before you put, this is my steamer lah. You can put in a bit of salt on top and few pieces of ginger. And we shall put it into the steamer to steam it for probably about 10 minutes, I would say, using medium-high heat. Of course, you can use your own steamer. Let's make the chili paste. Get your blender out. Put in the chili, shallot, and garlic. And we shall add in a little bit of water to ease the blending process. Close the lid, on the power, right, less than about, only about 20-30 seconds, the power first. You get something like this. And put in the chili paste. We shall saute this chili paste for probably about 3 to 5 minutes, I would say, using a medium or medium low. Don't use too high heat. Slowly saute it. You need to keep on stirring. This is like making a crispy chili, yeah? Very nice. The only tough part is if you're not careful towards the end, and if your heat is too high, then towards the end, the crispy chili might become burnt. So that is the part you want to be careful. This is why I suggest you all to use medium-low heat to slowly saute it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And we can actually give it a bit of seasoning of salt and a little bit of sugar. Some sugar, not too much. Then this is good enough. Right, this is after approximately 4 minutes plus. You can see some of the chili started to char. This is the time we can off the fire and allow the residual heat to continue cook through the chili. See, it is already become nice and crispy. Don't wait until everything becomes crispy, then you can get chow tar. So I'm going to set this aside, leaving some chili oil behind here, and let me show you. Right, so this is the crispy chili we have. And coming back here, I'm going to put in some hot water. So I want the remaining flavor from the chili oil. Let me raise the heat. Now I'll be adding some of my cooking appa chicken powder. This is optional. Actually in Muar, they use plain hot water. But I prefer to use chicken stock. Personal preference, no right or wrong. And you will also need some Assam puree. I like this Assam puree mainly because there's no seeds inside. Very easy to use. Super easy to use. So 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending how sourish you want to be. Right? And we shall season this with a little bit of salt, sugar, and some fish sauce. Give it a stir. Our Assam broth is ready. See how simple it is. Home cooked doesn't have to be very complicated, but I can assure you it can be very, very flavorful. Just bring this to a boil and let it boil for probably about a minute or two. Our Assam broth is done. Okay, our fish is now ready. So we have the sour broth, the chili, and the fish. Now why is it I always prefer to steam the fish separately? Because you see all this fishy water, we don't want it. Yeah, this is to reduce the fishiness of the fish, whatever fish that you are using. I know for the fact that most people will actually, for convenience sake, they will just cook it in the sour broth. No, I don't do that. I prefer to steam the fish separately. And then later we will go to scoop out the fish, put it onto a serving plate without the fishy water. So we have the fish on the serving plate. Pour over the sourish broth. You will love to drink this sourish broth. And drench your white rice with it. Yeah, banjil your white rice with it. And not forgetting our very, very nice, actually to me this tastes better, even better than the fish, which is the crispy chili. You can choose to garnish this with a bit of green if you want to. When you order this dish from Muar, usually they don't put any greens on top, but up to you, yeah? This is your home dinner, you decide how you want it. Alright, so here's my very simple dinner today within half an hour. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.